Miss Angel Goldstein. Candidate number 15 is Miss Carla Villana. She is from Angeles City and she is 17 years old and she's 5 feet 6.5 inches tall. She measures 34, 24, 34. That's our candidate number 15, Miss Carla Villana.
Candidate number 16 is Gwendolyn Rowe. Gwendolyn is from Angeles City and she's 7 years old and stands 5 feet 4 inches tall. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 16, Miss Gwendolyn Rowe.
Thank you, candidate number 16. Candidate number 17 happens to be Miss Iya Villana. She is from Barangay Lourdes Northwest, Angeles City. She is 17 years old and stands 5 feet 7 inches tall. And she measures 32, 24, 36. That's our candidate number 17, Miss Iya Villana. Candidates number 15, 16, and 17.
Next, may we call on candidates numbers 18, 19, and 20.
The rest of the candidates, you may now get ready for your swimwear competition, except the top 3 best in talent. For candidates number 18, 25, and 20.